Hey, welcome to the channel, guys. We appreciate you joining us for another week of the Jamarodi build, right?
Yes.
So what are we doing this week? Because we were going to do the Coyote Swap this week, but what happened, Ryan?
Lots of terrible things. So instead, we're going to work on a truck that no one really cares to watch. So stay tuned.
All right, Ryan, so what seems to be the problem with this white truck right now?
It's got a droopy rear end.
So we're going to fix that, but we're a little concerned about it being in my backyard, right?
I'm not concerned at all.
You're not?
Nah, it's not my yard.
Well, it was a little soupy here the other day. And in fact, it's sitting back there because it got stuck.
Yeah.
So the plan is to...
Wait, what happened to the blue truck, bro? It's missing some parts.
Yeah, well, that'll be the next episode, I suppose. Right? It's gonna be fun.
Beautiful butterfly.
All right, well, let's yank this white truck out and then try to fix the rear end, right?
Let's do it.
Well, that wasn't nearly as bad as anticipated.
What can I say? I did all the hard work.
You did the pushing part of it.
Yep.
So we have a little issue here in our back wheel. I don't know if you guys can see that on the video.
If you can't, you're clearly blind.
I mean, maybe you can see it.
We don't have braille on these videos, so if you can't see it, you're blind.
All right, well, it's a little crooked. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull that piece of chrome out, pull out the inner fender, and then we'll be able to see where you guys can see where it's broken.
This is the difference between me and Jason. Right there, right there. That puts our relationship into perspective.
It puts it under strain.
I would never, in 100 years, ever buy anything with that name on it right there. So if you wanna sponsor us, we're definitely looking for some sponsorship.
Everybody, so here, I'm gonna show you what the problem is here.
Now that I've done all the work so you guys can see it.
Who's done all the work?
Me.
All right.
Basically me.
That would be the problem. Much like the side of the truck, I think it's pretty easily identified as to what is the issue with this wheel.
It's a little saggy Sue.
Oh, shoot. Remember the water I told you about?
No. At least you didn't dump it like right where we're gonna be working. Because that would really suck. To dump all the rusty, nasty water right where we're gonna be working.
What, Ryan?
Sometimes you just can't find good help.
I didn't anticipate that happening. Obviously.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You're gonna be doing all the repairs.
Hey, what's your therapist say about this?
My therapist tells me that whenever I get angry, instead of hitting people and others, I should hit myself.
Are you angry right now?
No, I'm very, 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 very happy.
You seem like it. You seem very,
CBD.
Is that what it is?
Naked Warrior, guys. Check him out. Naked Warrior. CBD.
Good. What are you gonna do about this?
See, guys? So right here, this is a bolt. This is a bed support. It's bolted here and here. He's gonna take a tool known as a socket, and he's gonna take that off and that off. And that's gonna remove this support, which gives us access to the cattywampus bracket. Oh my, isn't that riveting?
No, you didn't just do a pun, did you? You know how much I hate puns. I hate puns.
I love your hat.
Puns are.
Hey Jason, what's the name of that hat?
Huh? What do you mean?
What is the name? What's it called? What are they?
The JMR5.
No. What do they call those hats? The style.
Cool.
Try again.
The Gen X hat.
It starts with old.
Old. It doesn't say old.
It says old man hat.
No, it's not old. It just says dad.
Same thing. Let's go!
Okay, Ryan, so we got this bolt most of the way out.
And most of the way.
On the back side, what's the problem?
Well, the flange, the hanger is bent, and so it's creating like a blockage.
Yeah.
Blocking point so that we can't.
It's this piece right here, right by my finger, right?
Yep.
So that's bent, and it's not allowing the bolt to come out the back side.
Yep.
As soon as we get that, that'll be a good relief, and then we can get the rest of this bracket on.
It's off!
Oh, that was a pain in the neck.
I don't think the pain's even started.
Okay. Oh, I'm ready. I'm ready to film it.
I got it.
Holy cow, bro. What a pain in the neck.
The hard part is done. All the work is done. So what this will do is we'll just slide this up in there. For our grade 8 bolts. Guys, I'm saying this for you. That one. Grade 8 bolts. Through there. Bolt it on. Tighten it down. And then we'll put this through here. Hold the leaf in place. And we're done. And it's basically a brand new truck.
You make it sound so easy, Ryan.
No damage at all. No damage at all.
right, guys.
What's up, Jammer Nation?
I'm making Ryan do a second take, and he hates second takes.
He kills my creativity.
I know. He's reaching back here in the bed to do something. He probably hit me over the head. I don't even know.
Beautiful butterfly, and he just keeps killing my cocoon.
All right, well, the truck is fixed. We love it.
It's where it's supposed to be, guys.
I know.
Listen, $3,500. You guys want this truck? Full body work done. 5 to 6 if we do the body work. It will have 4 of these. Same exact tires, so it'll be clean and nice and everything. 95,000 miles. Hit us up if you're interested. If not, we'll fix it.
I'm really worried about what you're trying to grab out of me.
And on that note, we'll see you next time. Jammer Nation!
Yeah.